I'm here again at SIBF 2021. We're going to check out some new interesting places today. I've heard of a couple of places, the Japan store, as well as a very interesting place that deals with the children's area, several workshops which we will look at, as well as some interactive children's sessions that will be on display. And we'll also be checking out the cookery corner, where they have live demonstrations on a daily basis from expert chefs and world-renowned chefs. All of that today, and plus much more, on our day number 6 at SIBF 2021. I'm here at one of the pavilions, or one of the stalls, should I say, of Motivate Media Group. Motivate published many great books, and I'm here with Mr. Asad, and we're going to talk a bit about who are Motivate and what are the latest publications that they have that are here at SIBF 2021. Hello, Mr. Asad. Thank you for coming, for joining us today.
Hello, Lewis. Thank you for having me on your show.
So I guess the first question would be, maybe you can give us a lot of people know who Motivate are, but there may be some out there who don't. Maybe you could give us a bit of introduction to Motivate and your most popular and famous publications.
True, Lewis, like we were established in 1979. I can say we were the first publication. What's On came as a first English magazine for the expats coming to UAE at that time. And Motivate has been established by our managing partner, Mr. Ian Fair Service, and His Excellency Ubaid bin Hamid Al Tayir, our partner as well. Since then, like we established many publications throughout the years, like Emirates Safar and Emirates Women's, and also Gulf Business. Until 1990s, we have established our books division, and we have come out with several books throughout the years, especially with the collaboration of Ramesh Shukla and Noor Ali Rashid, the famous photographers. And we had in 2006 for His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, My Vision. The very first book came out from his media office, and we were honored also, as you can see, His Highness Dr. Sultan Al Qasimi.
So
Privilege to have his book also by Noor Ali Rashid, by the lens of Noor Ali Rashid, all the establishment throughout the year for His Highness, establishments, and all his throughout his career, and what he has given to his nation for Emirates as well, and for Sharjah specifically.
So these books are basically, are these new at this book fair?
Basically, for this book particularly, it's not that it was published first in 2004, and then it got revamped and added on it in 2016.
Okay.
However, like every year, it's like an iconic, timeless book. Every year it's in high demand. We have been asked for it, like for all the private sector and public sector, from government as well. That's why this book is a must every year in Sharjah Book Fair. However, if I would like to share our latest editions with Sands, it's for the celebrity photographer Antililo. He's from UK originally, and he spent like around 16 years in this region, in Arabian Gulf and Emirates and Oman. And we were having the privilege to put all his hard work in a book called Sand. So basically, he did it took him from 2016 until 2020 to finish all the photography, and we put all the efforts in one book, and we launched it this year.
So it's basically, you could say, photography of various, different shots of the desert, basically.
Correct. Yes.
But maybe we can have a possible look at it, because I'm quite interested.
The thing is that what's so special about this book, actually, in every photo you see, it's called one name.
Okay.
So
so each photo has a theme as such.
Correct. He treated his photos like as his babies, and he named them in each and every photo. There is a specific name, so we cannot, address it by number. They address it by name. So every photo has its name, and we gave like this landscape all, fresh look and light colors.
Okay.
So for the eye to relax and go through this amazing landscape in the Arabian area here, Arabian Gulf.
And how has it been proving so far? To be quite a good seller, or?
Yeah, great. Actually, we were getting pre-orders for this book, and we were like quite excited about it, and we launched it through Sharjah Book Fair here. And we have a good response in the retail stores Yeah, of course, we're getting also all orders online and social media interaction throughout our orders as well.
Great. Well,
Yeah.
thank you for spending the time to give us an introduction to Motivate
Of
and to
course.
this latest book, and of course, a very nice book about the life of Sheikh Sultan.
Thank you once again, of course, Mr. Lewis, to have us, and have a good show ahead.
Thank
you
you.
very much.
The latest updates from the Sharjah International Book Fair. The Sharjah ruler has directed the allocation of 4.5 million dirhams to acquire the latest titles from publishing houses taking part in the 40th edition of the Sharjah International Book Fair. The grant from His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasimi, Supreme Council Member and ruler of Sharjah, aims to stock public libraries in the Emirates with the best scientific and literary books. These will help libraries become the main reference point for researchers and readers. The grant also supports publishers from around the world that are taking part in the event. Books are still the original way. Despite the widespread of digital and social media, books still hold a special place in the hearts of knowledge seekers. This was evident from the turnout at the 40th edition of the Sharjah International Book Fair, which this time is based on the theme "There is always a right book" and features about 1,000 activities and includes a star-studded lineup of international authors, speakers, artists and social media experts. The SIBF, which runs until November the 13th, has displayed various hues, shades and genres of books and authors covering subjects as diverse as literature, culture, food and art. And for those who love the smell of a freshly printed book, Expo Centre Sharjah, the venue of SIBF, is the place to be. And it's not only for adults, there is even something for children, a publishing workshop in fact for children. So book-loving children in the age group of 5 to 12 years, inquisitive about how books are made and printed, can attend special workshops introducing them to the structure of a publishing house. The workshop titled Create Your Own Publishing House is organised by Com Ufot, a Ukraine-based training institute, and the SIBF has in fact organised around 25 workshops for that aim of providing answers about book publishing in the most interesting of ways to those young learners. There is also an interactive digital marketing session, so if book publishing is a fascinating experience, learning about digital marketing techniques were another big attraction at SIBF. Led by Ahmed Al Khawaja, an entrepreneur and Emirati speaker known for his talks on marketing and advertising, the interactive session captured the interest of youngsters and adults alike. And an insightful discussion at the popular social media station took its young attendees by surprise as they were informed how the psychology of marketing was used to influence their decision making on a daily basis, especially regarding purchases both big and small. And the audience received practical tips on ways to incorporate simple yet effective marketing techniques into their business. This is just some of the latest updates of SIBF 2021. I'm here at the stall of Ismail and we're going to find out how the SIBF 2021 has been for them so far, here with Mr. Mohammed. Mr. Mohammed, how have the sales been so far here at this year's SIBF 2021?
Yeah, this year compared to last year, it's moving really very well. So after the COVID, people have started now visiting the stalls here. So we can see a little growth in our sales as well.
Also, I noticed myself as well that this year there seems to have been a more of a hands-free aspect,
Exactly.
more technology, more touch,
Exactly.
touch-free, avoiding touching due to COVID. There's been a lot of improvements.
Exactly, yeah. And of course, there is a lot of improvement this year. So compared to last year, there's a lot of improvement this year as well.
And what are the top-selling books that you've noticed so far that people are buying here?
Yeah, people are buying there are some books on motivational things. We have Everyday Hero, it's by Robin Sharma. Then we have Atomic Habits. So these are the titles that are really moving.
And what are the new releases that you're selling here?
Yeah, we have in children's category we have a Big Shot. It's called Big Shot. It's a Diary of a Wimpy Kid series. And in the adults we have Robin Sharma's Everyday Hero. And these are the titles which are really moving in this year. Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you for spending some time talking
You
to us.
too.
Thank you very much. I'm here at a very interesting stall. As we know, in SIBF 2021, there are lots of country pavilions. I'm here in a pavilion or a stall that is representing Japan, and we're going to find out what is it all about. So first of all, your name please.
My name is Ayumi.
Ayumi, thank you. And yourself?
Taka.
Taka. So if you could explain what exactly is your purpose here in this Sharjah International Book Fair?
Okay, the purpose of ours is to get people know more about Japanese books and also Japan.
Okay, so the books that you have here, they are just generally talking about Japan and Japanese culture?
Actually, we have various kinds of books.
Okay.
We have comics, manga, history, tourism, Japanese language, and cooking also.
Because obviously Japan and manga, they have a very famous,
Yes.
everyone connects Japan and manga, Japan and anime, don't they?
Yes, yes.
So is this your first time in the Sharjah International Book Fair?
We came here 3 years ago when Japan was the guest of honor.
Okay. And have you seen a big difference between 3 years ago and this year? Has it become better and more improved?
And under the influences of COVID-19, we think this is just great. More people are coming in, and we didn't really expect that.
Okay. And how have your sales been so far here?
Very good. And actually, many books have been already gone.
Okay.
And yes.
Great. Well, thank you very much for spending some time to talk to us.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm here again to take the opinions of people who are visiting this year SIBF 2021. First of all, your name please.
My name is Shahal Hassan.
So Shal Hassan, how are you finding this year's Sharjah International Book Fair?
Really amazing this 40th Sharjah International Book Fair, because last year also 39th I came here, but this year a lot of people, and mostly the Indian Pavilion also, more than 260 people are the authors releasing the book. So that's why really this is amazing, that one. This is a book fair, really amazing, and then how many the countries the people are came to buying the books and everything, so enjoying that one also. This is a pandemic situation, that's we thinking like that, so that's why the people are came to enjoying that one.
And I actually saw that there was a book in the Indian Pavilion. It was about an Indian freedom fighter, and it became the most ever sold Malayalam book in the history of Sharjah Book Fair, and that was this year.
Exactly. I think this year is more. I think last year also the Guinness record is done, the Sharjah International Book Fair. But this year also a lot of authors came. The Indian different cities also came to release the book, and a lot of politicians came, lot of celebrities also came. So that's why this is amazing, this book fair. Really a big salute for the Sharjah ruler, Sheikh Sultan Al Qasmi. Really salute. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
Thank you.
the Sharjah TV and the entire team of the Sharjah TV.
Thank you very much. I'm here with Mr. Hussein Asiri, and we are in this section here that's all about Arabic calligraphy, which is a beautiful form of art. Now, Mr. Hussein, how long have you been doing Arabic calligraphy?
I started from 2007, and 2009 I win the first president in Kuwait. 2010 also I take the first president for calligraphy. I found myself need more study, so still now I am studying.
Okay, great. And when you come, this is the first time you're coming to Sharjah Book Fair, or you come every year?
Fourth time.
Fourth time. And when you're coming, you're finding that lots of people are buying Arabic calligraphy products?
Of course, two reasons, because we are only support this calligraphy, and we are calligrapher, and we give the advice نصائح, or give them the information about the books, how to use the tools, how you improve yourself in calligraphy, how you become professional in calligrapher, that you can write in the mosques, or you can write Quran Kareem.
Because I notice as well, you see with calligraphy, it is Arabic calligraphy is very beautiful. It's like a piece of art, but just by itself.
Yes, yes, it's feeling and it is appear very good for another customer, another people. I can't describe
Describe it.
this.
So if somebody wants to start to learn Arabic calligraphy, how do they start?
Anybody found himself, he need to become like the calligrapher. He saw the work is very good. That means this is talent with you. The aims or the thing is that you hope to be like that. You are mawhoob with Arabic, talent.
Talented, yeah.
So this is first point. As example, a lot of started or the beginner calligrapher, they see good works, but they said, wow, I can't do like that. So he stopped.
It gives up.
Yes.
So it's too hard and you just...
خلاص, too hard, because that's normally if you in the start you can't become like you can't in 1 month or in 1 day everything step by step.
To keep practicing.
So a lot of bodies in talent or in arts, they broken their they can't fly in this they can't feel because they decide they can't do like the professional person.
Thank you very much for talking to us.
Welcome.
That's it. We've come to the end of today's coverage of the SIBF 2021. Join us in the next episode to find out more of what is the latest updates, interactive sessions and excitement in SIBF 2021. Until next time, goodbye.